Welcome to my channel. Today on my channel I'll be teaching you how to prepare Nigerian crunchy buns. Come with me and I'll show you the ingredients I'll be using today. Right here I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. Here I've got half a teaspoon of salt. Here I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Here I've got 1000 grams of flour. Here I've got 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Here I've got 1 cup of sugar. Here I've got 3 eggs. And right here I've got 1 glass of milk. Here I've got my frying pan ready. Guys, come with me and let's get cooking. First, I'm going to start by mixing all the dry ingredients in the flour. I'm going to start first by adding my baking powder. In goes my baking powder. In goes my nutmeg. In goes my salt to taste. Mix, mix, mix. In goes my sugar. Mix. Afterwards, in goes my eggs. Guys, it's best for your egg to be cold. Put it in the fridge and also put your milk in the fridge. Cold milk, cold egg is the best when you're making Nigerian buns. As you can see, my egg is already in. I'm now going to add my melted butter. In goes my melted butter and mix. After mixing, add a little bit of milk. Mix, mix, mix. And afterwards, add another milk and mix again. Continue until you're happy with the consistency. For some people, they like their buns to be a little bit hard. I prefer when my buns is not too hard. So this is the consistency I like. So when you're making your buns, if you like it hard, it's up to you. But honestly, this consistency is the best. Now I have heated up my oil. Now it's time for us to start frying. It's hot now and ready to go. In goes my dough. Keep dropping your dough until your pan is full and keep stirring until it is golden brown. When it is golden brown, it is ready. As you can see, my buns is golden brown. It's time to take it out. Look at that. It is crunchy. It's inviting. Look at that color. Honestly, I can snack on this all day without getting tired. Try this out. Trust me, you will love it. What are you waiting for, guys? Have you already subscribed to my channel? If you have not, go to the right side of your phone and press subscribe. Now I'm going to continue the same process until I finish frying all my dough. Now my buns is ready and it's time for me to serve. Look at that. Buns has been served. It is yummy, it is tasty, and it is mouth-watering. I'm sure you guys love what you're seeing. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, and also don't forget to like and share. Thank you all for watching and see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.